Hello, I'm Kelly from TinnitusTreatmentPros.com, and today we'll talk about effective home remedies for tinnitus. Tinnitus is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by a ringing, buzzing, or humming sound in the ears that can be persistent and disruptive to daily life. While there is no known cure for tinnitus, there are several home remedies that may help manage symptoms. In this video, we will explore 10 home foods that may help reduce tinnitus symptoms. These foods contain nutrients and compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help protect against hearing loss and reduce inflammation in the ear. Before starting, be sure to get your free guide on how to get rid of tinnitus at home from the link below in the description. It's available for free for a limited time. Don't miss this chance. Also, watch this video until the end to save yourself a significant amount of effort, fatigue, and money. I have decided to share information published for the first time in this video. Let's start first. Certainly, here are 10 home foods that may help manage tinnitus symptoms. 1. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the ear that can cause tinnitus. 2. Garlic. Garlic has antioxidant properties that may help protect against hearing loss and reduce tinnitus symptoms. 3. Pineapple. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain that has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in the ear. 4. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce tinnitus symptoms. 5. Spinach. Spinach is rich in magnesium, which is effective in reducing tinnitus symptoms. 6. Avocado. Avocado is rich in vitamin E, which has been shown to protect against hearing loss and reduce tinnitus symptoms. 7. Bananas. Bananas are a good source of magnesium and potassium, which can help regulate blood flow and reduce tinnitus symptoms. 8. Nuts. Nuts are a good source of vitamin B12, which is effective in reducing tinnitus symptoms. 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants that may help protect against hearing loss and reduce tinnitus symptoms. 10. Green tea. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, which have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce tinnitus symptoms. In conclusion, tinnitus can be a challenging condition to manage, but several home remedies may help reduce symptoms. Incorporating certain foods into your diet that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and compounds with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, such as ginger, garlic, pineapple, salmon, spinach, avocado, bananas, nuts, dark chocolate, and green tea, may help manage tinnitus symptoms. However, it's important to remember that these remedies may not work for everyone, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatments. Together with medical treatment, a healthy lifestyle and diet may help reduce the severity and frequency of tinnitus symptoms, improving the quality of life for those living with this condition. Finally, your like, share, and subscribe are appreciable.